Welcome in Perusal Technology. Learn Instagram Learning plus Earning Training Program. Importance of Instagram marketing for brands. How to create and optimize Instagram business profile. Multiple Instagram accounts, need and importance. How to analyze competition on Instagram. How to reach the target audience in targeted location. Content strategy for Instagram marketing. Different types of Instagram posts, Reels, IGTV stories. How to take good photo clicks. Power of Instagram ads. How to make your Instagram post viral. Instagram growth tools. Organic leads, reach and followers. How to track Instagram page performance. Contact us if you want to learn and earn through Instagram. Contact us for more details. Thank you.